What's up, Peckerwoods? I'm placing a power steering gear on this 98 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, and the damn thing just completely snapped off, so now I'm working on it. This is the Wrangler Sahara, and we're gonna get a power steering gear put in that thing. If you look, this is where it's bolted at, and it just completely snapped off. Look at that. It's just dangling there, so I have to fix this. So, you make sure you disconnect those two lines right there before you take these power steering gears off. Before you take these power steering gears off, make sure you disconnect the two lines right up here. This is a 18-mile long threaded hole or something. So I've been turning that damn thing and I still ain't got it out of there. That one come out easy. This one's still threading out. Ready? Yeah. Hopefully see if this works, I guess. Pull this one. Okay, so we ended up having to kind of see if we could move it over with a strap to hold it so I could get the nut off because my impact broke. So that's what got us here doing this. But also, after this clip, we're going to be pulling the Jeep with a winch because we had to move it out of the way due to a family crawfish boil we was having the next day. So there will be a part 2 of this video. So please stay tuned and please hit the like and subscribe. Now I'm going to see if I can get that bolt loose. Nicholas, see if you can kind of like... What do you want me to do? Couldn't get this fixed in time, so we're winching it up with the other Jeep. Dad had to come show me how to do this shit. So he stuck the bar inside the hole on the wagon wheel and pivoted it over this way. So if you ain't got steering and you're winching, you can do it that way. Stick this in the hole and then just use leverage to move the wheel where you need it. Thanks for watching a clip of the Jeep. I was hoping to be able to go ahead and put power steering gear on and move it back there itself and everything, but we had a crawfish boil for our family the next day, so I really needed to get it moved out of the way, so we just went ahead and pulled it up and put it out of the way for now. I need to get me an impact. My impact broke, so I gotta get another one, and I'll be able to get that nut off of there so we can get that power steering gear off and put a new one on it. But please stay tuned. There will be another part of this Jeep video of us actually taking the old one out and putting a new one in. So please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.